GIMP and Photoshop have a lot in common. One of these things is the mystery of the background layer. So, what is a background layer? If you create a new document in GIMP or Photoshop, you will start with a special layer, the background. In Photoshop you can recognize the background because it has italic text instead of normal text. In GIMP you can recognize the background because it has bold text instead of normal text. The background is different from a normal layer because you cannot look through it. This means you cannot see the layer or the layers under it. So how do we change this? In both Photoshop and GIMP you can right-click on the background. In Photoshop you choose Layer from Background, and in GIMP you choose Add Alpha Channel. Both do the same. Notice the bold text has now changed to normal text. We have transformed the background into a normal layer. In the next lecture we'll look at ways to navigate in GIMP.